Hey kids, so for the next project, what we're going to do is we are going to sketch this shape. So yeah, we all need practice in creating sketches and extruding, and so I'm going to go ahead and put this on my other screen so y'all can't see it as well. I'm going to refer to it periodically. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to set our increments to centimeters. So let's click on settings. Oh, I'm already on centimeters. If you're on something else, you just click right here and change it. That's how you do that. Listen, some people have been asking me things like how do I change the view to have like a grid, for example. See, that's down here on the bottom. You can turn the grid on and off. And if you want to see the origin, that's over here. I like to keep that on at least until the very end. Okay. So the very first thing that I think we should do is draw the rectangular base. So it looks like this side is 3. It's 3 centimeters. And then the long ways, that's it's like 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5. So 3 by 5. Let's make the rectangular base. So to do that, we're going to create a sketch. I'm going to do a rectangle. And I'll make this 3. I'll press the tab button. 5. Okay. And there we go. That's our rectangle. We'll finish the sketch. And now we have to extrude this. Let's see how much we have to extrude this. I think what I'll do is I'll just add it up halfway here to this middle section. So it looks like that is, this top part is 0.5 and the whole thing is 1. So it must be 0.5 to get up here. So let's extrude this. 0.5. And there you go, halfway done, right? Anyways, the origin is kind of bugging me out. I'm going to turn it off now. So next, let's add this rectangle over here on the side. So that's 1 by 3. So I'm going to click Add a Sketch. And I'll do a rectangle. And I'll say it's 1 by 3. Now, if you're wondering, Poe, how do you do that? How do you so seamlessly type the numbers? Listen, it's with the tab button. So if you look at the caps lock on your keyboard, caps lock above that is tab, and tab switches back and forth between these. So I'll Control Z that. I'll undo it. So I click a rectangle, snap right here, and I'll do 1 tab 3. Oops, that's 0.3. Okay, cool. So now I'll finish that and extrude it. 0.5. And there's another rectangle on the other side. Looks like it's 2 by 3 instead of the other one that was 1 by 3. So let's make that rectangle 2 by 3. So 3 tab 2. Now let's extrude this to 0.5. All right, so we're almost done, except it doesn't have that circle here. And so I looked at this sketch, and it looks like the circle, it doesn't actually tell you its dimensions, which is a real bummer. It only tells you where the center is. So let's figure out where let's put that center in our shape with a sketch, and then we can do the circle afterwards. So I'll do a sketch. And it looks like the center is 1 to the left, 1.5 up. So you could, with your rectangle, say 1.5 up and 1 to the left. Okay? Now, here's the thing, though. Whenever you do that, it kind of like, whenever you extrude and stuff, it kind of confuses it because you'll have like shapes on shapes on shapes. And right now, maybe that's not a big deal to you, but it will be later when you do more complex things. So how you fix that is over here on the right, you can click Construction, and that means that the shape you draw is not really there. It's just to help create a secondary shape. So now, if I draw my 1.5 by 1 no, it doesn't act like there's anything there. However, it will help me draw my circle, where I'll turn off the construction now. Let's make this circle 1 centimeter in diameter. There you go. It helped me do that. And now whenever I try to extrude, it doesn't try to select the rectangle like on the bottom right. It just selects what I want. Anyways, it looks to me like that circle is cut out. So I'm just going to cut out the entire circle. So I'll say, let's say I just want to cut out like 3. I'll go over here and I'll change it to cut. Instead of 3, I'll change it to -3. So it goes the other way. Ah, there we go. So I cut a hole in it. So now we're basically done. The shape looks just like it does in the picture. However, I say in the canvas that I want you to draw your name on here somewhere. So to do that, you can really pick any old spot. It doesn't even have to be on the shape. I'll pick right here. And I'm going to create text. So I'll go under Create. And here's text. And yeah, I'm just going to type my name. Mr. Poe. Ooh, let's rotate that. It's a little big too. Let's make it a little smaller. How do I make this thing smaller? Oh, here. There we go. I'll finish the sketch, and let's extrude that. So, oh no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to extrude my name. Huh, why does it keep doing that? I'm going to make my sketch a little bigger. Maybe that'll fix it. I'll make it 1 big. Ooh, and instead of Poe, Mr. Poe, I'll just make it Poe. There we go. Maybe that's what the issue was. Weird, guys. That did not happen in my practice run. Oh, now it's letting me select my name. I don't know what was going on earlier. So I'm going to extrude my name. I'll just say like 0.05 or something. And there you go. You're done. Good luck, kids.